Wish a motherfucker would. Let's get it. But say, man, y'all be safe, y'all. No cap, man. This world is crazy, y'all. No cap, but say. It's all about say, hey, 10 toes down and say, stay lock and loaded, y'all. Say, salute to the Second Amendment. Let's stay rocking, y'all. No cap, man. I'm telling y'all. Whoa! Golly, gotta love the Texas law. This open carry, gun carry, it's going down. So say y'all, much love to everybody, y'all. No cap, all my gun nation now. Say, be safe, everybody. No cap, man. You hear me? Shit, you better read that sign before you come down here. Don't mess with Texas. We all got guns. You hear me? Hey. Shit is. So say y'all, pop out, rock out. We ain't playing no games. I told y'all when we pop out, we all gonna pop out, y'all. No cap. We ain't playing no games, y'all. No cap, man. I told y'all, man, we the best. You hear me? I told y'all we the best. Ta-da. Didn't I tell y'all? If I didn't tell y'all, let me tell y'all today. We the best. You hear me, y'all? We the best. I just want y'all to know that shit. We the best. You hear me, y'all? We the best. That's it. We the best. We the best. We the best. Let me go to my bro channel, show love before I get off this bitch, because the internet up here, y'all, is tripping. So, you know what I'm talking about. We gonna keep it one thing, y'all. You know, I still gotta show love to my bros, no cap. So, y'all, check it out. You already know what it is, what it is, what it is. What's up with it, my bro? What's up with it, my bro, my bro, my bro? You already know, man. Keep dropping them videos, no cap, man. Call gang, killing it. Bro, keep it up. Drop that shit. I got your back, bro. No cap. We rocking like stockings, y'all. Please be safe, everybody. You already know, man. If I'm gonna get this money, y'all, please be safe, y'all. Please subscribe and be yourself, man. That's what it's all about, man. Drop what you like, and that's it. You hear me? If people like what you like, man, say it's going down. Period. Bang. Woo. Say, y'all. We ain't playing no games, y'all. You hear me? We ain't playing no games, y'all. I told y'all, man. All my bros, y'all. It's all about being yourself, taking over the game. You hear me? Mike, you already know what you taking over. Chopper season. Represent. We ain't playing no damn game. You hear me? Chopper season, y'all. We ain't, man, what? Man, y'all better stop playing, man. We got Chopper season in the building. You hear me? We ain't playing no games, y'all. So, yeah, man, say off the muscle, man. You know we got to show love to my bro, man. No cap, man. Shit, represent Chopper season, man. Say Chopper season foundation right here, man. Say y'all, rock out, pop out, man. That's the boy right there, man. No cap, Chopper season, man. You hear me? You hear me, y'all? Y'all better go check out my boy channel. You see how he doing it. You see how he killing these numbers. You see how he killing these numbers, man. Say it's going down, Big Mike. No cap, Chopper season, y'all. Y'all better go check out my boy channel. No cap. We the best. We show love. So you know it's coming back, y'all. You hear me? You hear me? You hear me? So say y'all gonna keep popping, no stopping. Loud. Who gonna stop us? They can't. You hear me? This shit worldwide, y'all. You hear me? One monkey don't stop no show. We gonna keep on rolling. We gonna keep on. Matter of fact, look, y'all, we finna laugh at the haters again. You know why, y'all? We finna pull up the channel again and see how this channel kicking ass. You hear me, y'all? We finna kick ass again, y'all. You hear me? I'm that type. I appreciate myself. I appreciate what I do. You hear me? No cap. So y'all already see. Time for an update, y'all. Yeah, update. Bang. Went up again. Bang. Man, y'all know how hard this is to get subscribers. Y'all both say we kicking ass. No cap. Appreciate everybody. Everybody. Say y'all, we kicking ass, y'all. I'm telling y'all, say y'all. When I tell y'all go check out all my channels, y'all, I won't play. I'm popping on all them bitches. You hear me? I'm popping in my own way. I ain't saying they going viral. Let me make sure I say that. Make sure that sounds good. I'm not going viral on them, but I'm popping my shit. So hey, go watch them. They might have got some of them don't even got no views yet, because the whole point I dropped so many, y'all. So hey, this is what it is, y'all. We gonna pop out any way it goes, y'all. No cap. Gotta go make this money, stay locked and loaded, everybody. I wish a motherfucker would say, bang, this Texas, baby. We always ready. Say y'all, keep up the good work, everybody. No cap, man. No cap. You gotta go get that money, no cap, y'all. But say, keep it up, y'all. No cap, man. Say, man, y'all see Cooking with Love. That Cooking with Love channel is doing so good. Did y'all know that? Did y'all know that Cooking with Love channel is doing so damn good?